Did you know that pulling an all-nighter can make your brain work like it's legally drunk? Here's what's really happening inside your head and how to hack it if you're stuck cramming. Imagine this. It's 2 a.m., you've got an exam tomorrow, coffee on your table, eyes burning, and you're still trying to cram one more chapter. But here's the thing. Pulling an all-nighter doesn't just make you tired, it actually rewires how your brain functions. Today we're diving into the neuroscience of all-nighters and some smart hacks you can use if you're forced into one. Chemistry disruption. When you stay awake all night, your brain's chemistry gets flipped upside down. Adenosine builds up. This is the chemical that creates sleep pressure. Normally, sleep clears it out, but without sleep, it stacks higher and higher. That's why your head feels heavy and foggy. At the same time, dopamine levels drop, so your motivation tanks, and even simple tasks feel impossible. And to make it worse, your body pumps out more cortisol, the stress hormone, which makes you anxious and restless instead of sharp and focused, memory and learning impairment. Now here's the scariest part for students. All-nighters wreck your memory. The hippocampus, which acts like the brain's save button, struggles to transfer information from short-term memory into long-term storage. Without sleep, synaptic plasticity, your brain's ability to strengthen new connections weakens dramatically. That's why you might read the same page 3 times and still not remember it the next day. Cognitive decline. Think about what happens when you're drunk. Reaction time slows, judgment is poor, and focus is gone. Research shows that after 20 to 24 hours awake, your brain is functioning at a level similar to having a blood alcohol concentration of 0.10 above the legal limit for driving. The prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for logic and decision-making, goes offline first, so problem-solving, reasoning, and even basic attention take a huge hit. Mood and body impact. And it's not just the brain. Sleep loss makes you emotionally unstable. You'll overreact to small things. Your immune system weakens after just one night without sleep, meaning you're more vulnerable to infections. And here's something many don't realize. Your hunger hormones go crazy. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, spikes, while leptin, the fullness hormone, drops. So you end up craving junk food. Hacks if you must pull an all-nighter. Okay, now I'm not encouraging all-nighters. Sleep is always the best study tool, but if you're stuck, here are science-backed hacks to survive one. 1. Strategic caffeine small, the steady doses early in the night, not huge amounts at once, and definitely avoid coffee after 3 to 4 a.m. 2. Pomodoro plus micro nap study in 25 to 30-minute blocks with short breaks. If you're crashing, take a 20-minute power nap. It resets alertness without leaving you groggy. 3. Light and movement. Bright, cool light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Short bursts of exercise like push-ups, jumping jacks, or a 5-minute walk boost blood flow and oxygen to your brain. 4. Prioritize smartly. Don't try to cover everything. Focus on high-yield concepts. Use active recall methods, flashcards, summarizing out loud, or teaching yourself. Passive reading is useless at 3 a.m. 5. Morning reset. After your exam or deadline, aim for sleep in 90-minute cycles. That way you wake up at the end of a sleep cycle, not in deep sleep. Rehydrate, eat protein-rich food, and allow your brain to recover. So pulling an all-nighter feels like you're getting more done, but in reality, your brain is working against you. Memory, focus, and even your immune system suffer. If you absolutely have to do it, use the hacks I shared, but if you want real academic performance, nothing beats proper sleep. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends who are also cramming, and subscribe for more science-backed study and productivity tips. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.